I'm going to show you how to create a DAT file when you want to make custom fuel files in Ricardo Wave. Click Model Properties, select Fuel File, press the green plus button, click on the Add Fuel button, select a DAT file that is closest to the one that you want to create. I'm going to select Fame, press Open, click on the file you've just added and press Edit. Change the fuel label at the top and change all the fuel properties to correspond to the fuel that you want it to be. Remember to click on Edit Specific Heats profile to edit the specific heats of the fuel, which is a function of temperature, and also edit the liquid properties such as vapor pressure, viscosity, and surface tension, which is also a function of temperature. Once you've made all your changes, click on the Save to File button, give your DAT file a name, and press Save. Press the OK button, and you're done.